Actually, Bangladesh is a densely populated area, densely populated country in the world, and there are so many unemployed people here, especially in rural area. LGD are working for rural area, so EIIP, that is Employment Inclusive Investment Project. If we introduce this project in Bangladesh, it will be very helpful for our local poor. Those people are unemployed. And I think in this regard, this type of conference is very much relevant to Bangladesh. And I hope from this conference, if we introduce EIIP in Bangladesh, it will be helpful for employment problem.